In the future, if you guys are having more babies, or you know people having babies, the minute the baby comes out, recite the mantra in their mouth. What we do is we hold the baby, the mother, recite Arabazanadi, and blow into the mouth of the baby. Imagine the first connection of the beautiful mother and the beautiful child is Manjushri or Tsongkhapa's mantra. So you think this time, oh, it's too late. They already came out. They're already that big. How? Blow anyway. The mother's mouth is pure. It's clean. Blow anyway lah. To give the gift of Dharma to your children is the best gift. Let me explain in short why. Because when your children grow up and they leave you, they won't listen. They won't cooperate. They have their own minds. They're going to live their own lives. The food you gave them, the education you gave them, the clothes you gave them might be forgotten. But the Dharma you gave them will lead them for the rest of their lives safely, even after you are dead. You don't have to worry about your children anymore. And then they will pass this to their children. That's very important. Teach your children Tsongkhapa's short mantra, Arabazanadi. Teach your children. Why? The mantra is your love for your kids. Some people say, oh, maybe my children don't want to be Buddhist. It's okay. But until they don't want to be Buddhist, let them be protected by Buddha. Buddha's not going to say, oh, you're not Buddhist, I don't protect you. No, definitely not. Buddha thinks much wider. See, whether you accept Buddha or not, he accepts you. Whether you like Buddha or not, whether you think Buddha is good or not, it doesn't affect him. Because Buddhism accepts everything, everyone.